right, number 18. The diagram below shows how Montana's mom cut a cheesecake. Montana ate 4 parts of the cheesecake, which could represent the fraction of the cheesecake that Montana ate. Well, let's figure out what each one of these pieces represents. And Montana ate the 4 shaded pieces. So I need to figure out the denominator first, and to figure out the denominator, I'm going to count my total number of pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that means that this one piece represents 1/6 of the cheesecake. This is 1/6, this is 1/6, this is 1/6, this is 1/6, and this is 1/6. Okay, each piece is 1/6 of the cheesecake because there are 6 total pieces and the unit fraction is 1/6. So if she ate 4 parts of the cheesecake, I want to know the fraction of the cheesecake that Montana ate. So Montana ate 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. She ate this 1/6, this 1/6, this 1/6, and this 1/6. So let's look at our answer choices. Letter A, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. This would work if our pieces were cut into fourths, but our pieces are not cut into fourths. Our pieces are cut into sixths. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. This would mean that your cheesecake was cut into eighths, and we know that that is not true because our cheesecake was cut into sixths. 4/6 plus 4/6 plus 4/6 plus 4/6. 4/6. Sorry. That means that she ate 4/6 of one cheesecake, 4/6 of another, 4/6 of another, and 4/6 of another. That is not true. She ate 4/6 total. 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. That matches the work that we've already done. Our cheesecake is cut into sixths, and she ate 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. The correct answer is letter D.